See this guys, by just designing per hour rate, you can see $74 per hour. New website, you just need to create a drag and drop thing, copy paste things, and you are getting paid $74 per hour. And you can select your own hourly rate, and you can just send a message to get an invitation to get you can say that, you can see this guys, $81,000 she is earning. You can see this by just converting and branding logos, creating logos. Watch this video till the end, and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just performing your jobs over this website. Guys, you can see this, how people and freelancer are actually working, and more than millions and millions of dollars this website has already given to their employees. How they are doing, how new projects are coming, and what is the range, hourly range that are earned by freelancers. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you step by step guys, whatever niche you are having guys, whether it is a translation job, whether it is finance related job, typing, editing, designing, photography, sound engineering, whatever it is, you can able to perform your skills over this website. Okay, you can perform and contribute your efforts over this website and can earn money. So this is a great platform where you can render your services and can earn a handsome amount of salary, okay, by doing the side hustle, okay, with your jobs as well. Okay, so this is a very important thing that you need to do. So first of all, what you need to do guys is to first do the sign in part. Okay, first do the sign in part. So just click on this freelancing. Okay, just you need to click on this freelancing. Okay, and you are redirected to this page. Okay, you just need to click on this freelancers, and guys what you need to do here is to just give your first name, your last name, your mail address. You just need to give. So I just given it. So you just need to click on this send verification, and a verification mail is sent to your mail ID. Okay, so I just quickly show you and copy paste my verification mail ID. So you can see this guys, this is a verification mail that you get, and you just need to copy this and you just need to paste it over your verification code. Okay, so I quickly do it. So see this guys, you just need to paste your verification code here. Similarly, what you need to do guys, just enter your phone number, and you can see this guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of countries you can perform, okay, the operation on, and you are getting paid for that. And guys, SMS code on your OTP, 4-digit OTP is coming up on your phone number, and guys you just need to give your name, it will automatically selected. Okay, if it is not available you can modify it manually. Okay, so you just need to give password, confirm password, and the categories guys, this is very important. Okay, you can either select typing no, logo, yes, logo designing is there. Okay, another category is we can select graphic designing. Okay, graphic designing, banners and ads. Okay, so these are the things that you can perform, and just click on this register button so that all the processing is done quickly. So you are coming up here in this website guys, and what you need to do is to choose your profile. Okay, so just click on this my profile, and you can see this guys, you just need to select as per your niche. Okay, whatever requirements that you have. Okay, so if you are good in graphic designing, and if you are having a particular company or business name, you can give, let us suppose ABC company. Okay, you just need to give ABC company and just click on the save button. Okay, and give the city, whatever city it is, save it. Okay, whatever slogan you can give guys, this is a suggestion that is good for me, so I just take it, this suggestion, as a logo. Okay, so update your photo guys, you can select your own photo. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so I just need to skip this from now. Okay, guys, you can select your date of birth. Okay, and just give, okay, save it. and freelancer. Okay, do you have your own website? If you are having, then you can say yes, otherwise no. Okay, if you are having, yes. So guys, if you do not have it, you can give your blogspot email address as well. Okay, so I'm just giving my blogspot email address, so I just quickly give it, just click on the save button. Okay, so skip it, I don't want any membership. Okay, not now, I don't want to post it. Okay, just need to skip these parts. Okay, so guys, before we just dive deep into these details, so what you need to do is to just give your about section. Okay, about section you can modify that. I have already given I am having more than 5 years of experience in graphic designing, so you just need to click on this and you can select. And if you are proficient with language, any language you can select. Guys, here you can select, if you know French you can select it, you can select limited. Okay, so more you give, the better you become, and you can create your own portfolio. And for portfolio, guys, what you need to do is to just come up here in this canva.com. Okay, just come up here in this canva.com. If you are a graphic designer or a logo designer, you can set up your own logos. So you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of logos that you can download and upload on this platform. Okay, hundreds and hundreds of templates. Guys, why I have written 5 years of experience? Because guys, the people who have designed these templates are having more than 5 years of experience. Okay, so you are ultimately taking these templates and just do some modifications on these logos, and then you need to give to your client. Okay, what you need to do, just you need to select the company name, ABC company. Okay, copy paste job it is, and that's easy for you. Okay, you can maintain the size, you can see this, you can maintain your size, you can maintain colors and each and everything. Okay, and even if you can give, you can see this, you can give these animated logos as well. Okay, you can see this, you can give, and this is free of download. You can see this, you just need to download it and that's it. Okay, so create a good and nice logo for yourself. And guys, you can see this, I have already created my skills. If you want to add your skills, you can add a particular skill, you can define a skill. Okay, whatever skill you are having, let us suppose guys, you are having I should give template designing. So you can give in the description box that I am having more than 5 years of experience in template designing. Okay, whatever description you need to give, you can give. Okay, template designing. Okay, and can create templates for companies to grow their business. Okay, you can give this to grow their business. Okay, so you can give as per your requirements to grow their business, so you can select it. Okay, and you can select your hourly rate like $20. Okay, as per your requirement. So guys, you can see this pending approval means they are doing some validation part, that the hourly rate for a particular skill that you have selected is appropriate or not. Okay, is validated. Whole your profile will take 1 day or so in order to do the validation or verification. Employer's history, guys, you can add your own work experience. Okay, what your position is, company name, website of the company, location, and the time period from till when to when. Otherwise, if you are working, you can select this. Okay, this is a very good option. Even if you want to include your certification, if you are doing professionally like designing website and all, you can show your certification from where you have derived from, where you are qualified. Okay, educational background from your college name. Okay, whatever degree you are having, the tag. If you are a computer science engineer, you can post it. Okay, volunteer work means, guys, whatever initiative you have developed, like social service is a volunteer work. Okay, no one asks you to do that, you are doing for yourself. Okay, so these are the things that you can give and will improve your reputation over this website, and you are getting paid. Okay, so this is one thing, guys, and you can see this, guys, there are ample of jobs that are available. Okay, so you can even select your billing details as well. So you can see this billing history, not billing history, I just select my profile. Okay, and can change my billing details as well. Okay, over this platform I can select my billing details as well. Okay, so this is one thing that you need to do, guys. Okay, so just come up here in this settings option. Okay, just come up here in this settings option, and you can see this, guys, billing payment methods. Okay, so you can select your payment methods. You can see this, you can select it, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so another thing I just need to give you in detail, guys, you just need to select the categories, and if you want to manually apply for this, okay, you can select your as per your categories what you need to select. So you can see this design and graphics is a particular category that you need to select. Okay, and you can see this, guys, hourly rate, how much people are actually earning from this. Okay, so you can manually send the proposals, but make sure that, guys, you have selected a good amount of profile over this. Make sure that you have selected 100%, because for demo part I have shown you some of them. Okay, but you need to do it manually. Okay, I hope you can do it. And companies like big from, you can see, Google, Microsoft, eBay and SAP, they can able to give you more jobs regarding their own work, small works they can do, and they will pay you hourly rate as per your requirements. Okay, so it's a good platform where you can help part-time, a side hustle that you can do, and convert your small-time part-time job into your passion. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.